Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Crypto.com DeFi wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet app where you hold your private keys to your own cryptocurrencies. Now proceeding to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Crypto.com DeFi wallet. There you can see Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Crypto.com app and enjoy using Crypto.com DeFi wallet app. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.